How's it going, everybody? Brian from Apex Detail here. Today we are going to showcase the McKee's 37 4 horsepower Dual Action Vac Dry. This nice tidy little unit combines an industrial grade vacuum cleaner and also a powerful car dryer into one little package. This is a custom design for McKee's made from Metro Vac. Let me give you some dimensions, just in case you want to mount one on the wall like I will a little bit later. It comes in at 17 3/4 inches long, and the width, 7 1/4 inches. We'll get to the weight in just a minute, but a nice compact little unit here, just under 9 pounds. Stainless steel design with powder-coated end caps. Driven by a 4 horsepower motor, it can blast a warm, filtered air at an impressive 2,800 feet per minute. The area I'm working on here, it has the shoulder clips, and also the power switch is where the air will blast out from, and where you can vacuum this end right here. I will unclamp it, take this end cap off here. That will expose the bag and the dust cap, and then another foam filter down below that as well. So you're going to get filtered air coming out the other side. You don't have to worry about any kind of contaminant coming through as you're drying the car. When you're done working on the car, you can take it in the house, do some household chores, and then simply mount it on a wall. Accessories included, I showed them at the beginning. You get a flexible 6-foot hose. Now that I wish was a little bit longer, but I'm sure you can purchase a customized longer hose for it. A carpet floor tool, 20-inch extensions, 2 wands, pick all nozzle, a crevice tool, dusting brush, blower nozzle, inflator adapter, 4-piece MicroClean Tool Kit for dashes, perfect for smaller areas, or maybe if you take it inside, you can work on your stereo and speakers. Also has a 4-wheel dolly and 2 disposable bags, 1 inside, so 3 total. To mount the unit on the dolly, simply pull up the double stick tape, Velcro, and then turn the vac itself to its underbelly. You're going to see a screw on the blast side of the vac dry. You'll line that up with a hole right there on the dolly and stick it on. Here's the 6-foot hose where you can adjust the power. That goes on the side I'm working on now. Opposite side of the switch. That's where you can do vacuuming on your car and in household. Just slide it on there. I like this little unit. It's the first time I've had one of these. I have powerful vacs for the shop, and I also have powerful blasters to dry the cars. Never one in a tiny little combined unit such as this, and I like it. This is the shoulder strap. And you'll, with a short hose, the one I was speaking of, you're going to want to put the unit up over your shoulders at just under 9 pounds. You hardly know it's there, no big deal, but that's going to get you high enough with the hose if you have an SUV or a lifted truck, so you can start from top and dry your car from top to bottom. Speaking of drying your car, perfect example here, freshly washed, pull it inside so I can dry it off. We have a 25-foot cord. That's plenty to get around your car. Let's get this started. The unit simply has plenty of power to dry your car, truck, or motorcycle. You'll be around the car quickly, and you'll have it completely dry in no time, wheels included. That was the exterior. How about the interior of your car? Just switch the hose, pull it off from the side that has the power switch, insert it to the opposite side, and you're good to go. Has a ton of suction for vacuuming. All right, let me insert the crevice tool and we'll get to work on the interior. We'll start with the floor mat. You can easily get the crevice tool in between the seat and the side rails. Again, plenty of power. You can pull up sand from the mat, anything you need to pull that is embedded and hard to get out. This thing, as small as it is, has enough power to do so. All right, let's get the dusting brush on the end of the hose here, and that's what we're going to use on leather seats. You never want to put the crevice tool anywhere near a leather seat, and this little adapter here works perfectly. Then we can really fine-tune the interior and break out the 4-piece micro-cleaning tool kit. Perfect for tight corners, hard to reach areas around the electronic devices in your car's center console. Then you can take it inside and work on electronics in your home. Excellent for the air vent areas right here. And for me, since my day never ends, when the cars are out of the shop and the customers are gone, time for me to start the cleanup. For that, all I need to do is add the two 20-inch extension wands and the floor adapter. I'll have to order or customize a mount myself, but in the meantime, it's so light I could put it right underneath the backwards Jaguar banner. If you enjoy the content, please be sure to like, subscribe, share, hit that notification bell. I really like this unit, guys. Just wanted to share my experience with it. In case you're looking for one, you know what video to come back to.